Good morning. Today we are going to discuss how to register a trust in India. Basically, a trust contains of a Section 8 company, mainly a NGO or a non-government organization. So, myself, CS Gaurav Sharma. My mobile number is 9990694230 or gauravdelhiarevi@gmail.com is my email ID. In case you have any query or have any question regarding the registration of a trust in anywhere in India, you can drop me a mail or you can drop me a SMS or get in touch with me on the same number through WhatsApp also. So now let's move on to the section where we want to discuss few aspects like how we are going to move further. So what are the documents required for trust registration are one photograph of each of the trustee and settler, khasra number and village of the property to be used as office to check whether or not the same fall under unauthorized colony list. If it falls, then it will not be considered as trust registration address. Signed trust deed by trustees and settler. Demand draft as aforesaid. Signed NOC on affidavit of rupees the pertaining or perspective. Stamp paper and notarization shall be arranged by us. Stamp paper in the name of trust. Stamp paper will be arranged by us. One photocopy of the address proof and ID proof as mentioned aforesaid. Proof of address of the premises which is used as office signed by the owner. Witnesses and settler shall bring their ID proof in original all the time of the registration. So what are the step-by-step procedure we will discuss now? Step 1 is documentation as we have provided to you. Step 2 is verification of documents. After getting the documents from you, we will verify the same and let you know what are the discrepancies over there and what can be verified and what can be nurtured over there, what can be taken care of. If not, then you have to compile the set of documents which are left with. Step 3 is trust deed, which is need to be amplified and being drafted quite well by us with all the clauses which you need. Step 4, visit to department because we need to visit on behalf of yours for the discrepancies if any or any details which they require or error which they want to get clarified with. Step 5 is registration certificates being given by the department to you and will be handed over from us to you. Step 6 is PAN and TAN application. And then step registrations. What are the registration things which are needed? Stamp duty at the rate 3% of the amount of total contribution. Stamp paper be in the name of the trust. Demand draft of rupees 1100 from bank accounts of trustees. NOC on draft of rupees 10. The same may vary from state to state. The two photographs of each of the trustees and settler beneficiary. Aadhaar card of beneficiary. It only if only receipt of Aadhaar card is available, then only any other proof of identity along with that receipt is being demanded over there. Settler beneficiary shall be physically present over there in the department segment. Two witnesses with their identity proof shall bring their originals also, the documents itself. Signed address proof and identity proof of trustees. Principal office of trust shall not be in any kind of dilemma. So for any query or question, feel free to contact CS Gaurav Sharma. That is me. 9990694230 is my mobile number over here. You can get in touch with me over WhatsApp as well. This is my email ID GAURAV Delhi DELHIRAV @gmail.com. Thank you guys for listening. And if you like the video and get your query solved through this video, then please like and share the video and remain in touch for any queries. Hello guys. To make sure you're notified when I post a new video and to make sure they appear in your subscription list, click the bell. This is my channel, God of the Ali. Do not forget to click the bell to get notified next time for the videos. So that's why I say click the bell.